Okay, you guys are never getting dispatched.
Financial quarter and this train terminates here. This train is formed of 4 coaches for travelling with us today.
See you, Stepford Central.
Train now approaching platform 8. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Port Benton. We will be calling at Stepford East,
Oh,
St Helens Bridge.
anyone arriving on platform 5 is going to experience the worst pain of their life. Somebody just said where I am. No, I am not at Stepford Central. No, I am not going to platform 1. My friend just tricked me. Oh, don't cry, bud. My next role is to block the super fast line. Once again, don't. The fake thingy is now the talk of the town. Like, why are these big threatening things? This is the point where we start to get late. I set up a prank for them. Ah, yes, the iconic class 897. I think I just made a 3 longer tree. Imagine your carriage looks like this, but the next carriage looks like this. It's just completely dark in this carriage. I'm legit 5 minutes late. Just realised I'm camping 3/4 of a mile away from Ellesmere Junction. That idiot 800 just got bored. Man, this idle noise sounds like an aeroplane engine. So far people ain't even mad with me in the chat for just pooling here. Hour 397, 10 minutes late now. We've all had that one train that's about as late as me. Someone's interviewing me. At least it's not a supervisor. And that someone is my friend Corkin Mental's Gaming. Go subscribe to him. He's very underrated. Signal changed to green. Nah, I'm still not going. So many dispatchers talking in chat. I'm halfway there to get despawned. Nobody's taking any door lights in the express down this Morganstown main line as I leap unlocking the line. Oh, someone's speaking French. I can't believe these wheels have been waiting to move for nearly 17 minutes. Bad Coke and Mental is still down there. Someone, aka Train Charlie, is now legally trespassing. Man, how long have you been doing this parkour for? Like, nearly 10 minutes? 20 minutes later and I still haven't moved a single end. Oh, hi Train Charlie. He's now dancing. Supervisor better not join. Oof, now he's train surfing. Let's have some vibes. With nearly a 5-minute video. Supervisor isn't here yet. There is about 5 minutes left. Also, I pranked the serve. No noob is earlier than this. The worst part is when version 2.2 ruins it all. Recalling the last 30 seconds of this train's existence. Oh, blue, I'm 15 seconds before I should be. RSCR's God's going to the moon. Nearly 31 minutes and a half and still, I don't know why I've not been despawned. Oh well, I guess I'm gonna spawn myself now. Goodbye, tree.